Well, it's a continuity from our part 2 video, where we were left with 2. Remember I said that first check the highest common factor. We can see that the highest common factor in this case is 2 sine x, because when you say 2 sine x times x, it gives you positive 2 sine squared x, right? To get to here, to get to 6 sine x, 6 sine x, what do we need, guys? We really need to be very careful whenever we work with this, right? In this case, I said 2 sine x times x, that will give us 2 sine squared x, right? So to get to negative 6, to get to negative 6, we'll focus on this 2, the one that has sine x, right? So we will need negative 3. So that's why I put negative 3. So let's go. We are not done. So we go to, remember guys what I told you. We also have cos. We can see that the highest common factor is also cos, but it will be negative. This will be negative cos x, right? So I want us to, this will be negative cos x. Remember, for you to get sine cos x, you will need sine here. To get to positive 3x, you will need negative 3, because when you say negative 3, negative cos x times 3, you get positive cos x. So the best way, another way that you can make it simpler, is to group this. You group this with this, group this with this, then you will be fine. So this is how you take out the highest common factor, so that you don't get mystified or rather confused, right? So we have, actually this is grouping. The first thing here is to group. If you group 2 sine squared x and negative 6 sine x, and you can also group negative sine cos x plus 3 cos x. That's why here I had negative cos x, right? Yes. So first thing here, group your terms, then you'll be fine. Then secondly, you can take out the highest common factor, just as I did here. So after that, what do we do, guys? We will group them. So since we have, let's take a look. What do we have there? We have 2 sine x, 2 sine x, as well as minus cos x. Okay, I hope you're getting it. We have it's a grouping. Can you see a grouping? We have 2 sine x and cos x, and this is common. Sine x minus 3 and sine x minus 3, it's common. So we are going to say sine, it requires the factorize by grouping. You're going to take sine x minus 3, right? Then we will then equate everything to 0. 2 sine x minus cos x, which is equals to 0, or we will just say sine x minus 3, which is equals to 0. So from here, you're going to take negative cos x to the other side. This becomes positive cos x. We'll then divide everything by cos x to make this a quotient identity. That's the reason of dividing by x. So this and this cancels. We're left with 1 here. Sine all over cos, this will be tan. So we have 2 tan x. Then we'll then divide everything by 2. We'll then have, if you divide by 2, you will have tan x, which is equals to 2.5, I mean. So but here if we take negative 3 to the other side, it becomes positive 3. So we have sine x is equals to 3. We also have tan x is equals to half, right? Sorry for the background noise. Let's continue. So from here, we need to find the reference angle. I told you to find the reference angle, you're going to say tan arc Then you're going to put, you punch that in your calculator. It's an arc of half. Okay, that will give us 26,565 and ellipses. So you only round off to the end. If it's in decimals, don't round off at the middle of the step. Then so we are going to say, so now we can round off to 2 decimal places. This will be 26 because we have 5 and 6 there. So we are going to have 667 degrees and correct to 2 decimal places. We're going to have 26,67 plus k times 360, where k is an element of integers, right? So what about this part? Let's say if you say sine arc of 3, what's that? Let me punch my calculator. That is error. It says error. That means there's no solution. There's no solution in this case. So we are going to say NA not applicable, since as -1 is lesser, it's greater than sine x, and sine x is less than or equal to 1. So this is what you can write, right? Or just say no solution in this case. So this is how you would have solved such complex general solution. Remember this one, the type of general solution that we were looking at, it requires factorization, grouping, knowing a difference of 2 squares, a trinomial. Then you'll be fine, guys. Algebra, it's a matter of mathematics. If you're new to the channel, what are you waiting for? Do the right thing, subscribe, like, and comment. We really appreciate you. See you in the next one. We are going to look at a general solution that requires us to use core functions. Take care.